Hey guys, for this episode we are going to use LM Studio. So if you don't have this app installed, please install it and check models. So subject for this episode is going to be Youtu VL, 4 billion parameters. And you can download one of these two options. And I downloaded this smaller one. It works just fine on my machine. Except if you have some really serious demands, you are going to be fine with this model. And I'm running it on NVIDIA 1080 Ti with 11 gigs of RAM. So I'm going to close this window, I'm going to check on chats, and I'm going to create new chat. So first I'm going to load this model. And now, final question, what is the purpose of it? As you can see, it supports vision functionality, which means that this model is trained to recognize visual patterns. Means that we can provide picture to it as context, and then we are going to use this model in order to operate on it. And let me show you, I downloaded two pictures for this episode. First one, it's a page from American Constitution, and second one, it's European political map from 1815. Alright, let's see how this model is going to perform. Transcribe this image and tell me about the content. Alright, this is fast enough. As you can see, process is done in 3,66 seconds and it's quite descriptive. Okay, let's try with this second image. Tell me something about political situation in Europe based on this image. Once again, quite fast, we have our result in 5,61 seconds. Again, it's very descriptive. And in summary, it tries to find connection between this image and previous one. And reasonably, it decides that these two topics have nothing to do with one another, although they were in the same chat. So by my opinion, thumbs up for this model. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe. See ya!